Cat urine smell is one of the most stubborn household problems because it quickly soaks into fabrics, carpets, and even wood surfaces. Thankfully, there are several effective ways to remove cat urine odor and prevent it from returning. The most important thing to remember is that you should act quickly. Fresh cat urine is much easier to clean than old urine. Fluorescent dye can be used to detect hidden cat urine stains that are not visible to the naked eye. When exposed to UV light, it helps reveal old or dried urine spots so you can clean them properly. This makes it easier to target affected areas and prevent lingering odor from returning. First, take some paper towels or a clean cloth and gently press on the wet area. Do not rub the stain, because rubbing will spread the urine deeper into the carpet or fabric. Just press and soak up as much liquid as possible. Repeat this step until most of the moisture is gone. After removing the fresh urine, the next step is to use cold water. Cold water helps to dilute the urine and makes it easier to remove the smell. Spray a small amount of cold water on the affected area, and again use a cloth or paper towels to absorb it. You should avoid using hot water because hot water can make the smell worse. One of the best and easiest solutions is a mix of white vinegar and water. You can put this mixture in a spray bottle for easy use. Spray it directly on the area where the cat urine is present. Make sure the area is fully covered. Let it sit for around 10 minutes. Vinegar is very useful because it helps to kill bacteria and neutralize the bad smell. After using vinegar, the next powerful ingredient is baking soda. Baking soda is very effective for removing odors. Once the area is slightly dry, sprinkle a good amount of baking soda over the spot. Make sure the whole area is covered properly. Leave the baking soda for several hours, or even overnight if possible. During this time, baking soda will absorb the bad smell from the surface. After it has done its job, you can simply vacuum it up. At this point, you will already notice that the smell has reduced a lot. If the smell is still there, the best option is to use a pet odor remover powder. Pet odor remover powders are very effective for dealing with pet urine problems because they are designed to neutralize odors rather than just cover them up. For easier use, pour the powder into a small container or bowl before applying it. Then, sprinkle a generous amount over the affected area and allow it to sit for the amount of time recommended on the product label. Once the area is dry, remove any excess powder by sweeping it up or vacuuming the surface thoroughly with a vacuum cleaner. Finally, check the area to make sure the odor is gone. By using it, you will be able to eliminate stubborn pet urine odors more effectively and keep your home smelling fresh and clean. A pet odor eliminator is one of the most effective solutions for getting rid of cat urine smell because it targets the odor at its source. Instead of masking the scent, it breaks down the urine compounds that cause long-lasting smells. This helps completely remove both stains and odors, leaving your home fresh and clean again. Spray the product on the affected area and allow it to soak for 5 minutes. Then clean the surface to keep your pet safe from direct contact with the product. This will leave the surface clean and refreshed. An air purifier device can help reduce lingering cat urine smell inside your home by neutralizing airborne odor particles. It works continuously in the background to keep the environment fresher after deep cleaning affected areas. These devices often use essential oils or air filtration to improve quality and prevent the smell from settling again in carpets or furniture. They are especially useful for maintaining long-term freshness in pet-friendly homes. By following these simple steps, you can effectively remove cat urine odor and keep your home fresh and clean.